Good morning, our students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Our students, today I shall discuss with you profit and loss, chapter 10 of class 8. You have learned about profit and loss in previous classes, but here I shall review profit and loss. First term is cost price. Cost price. Cost price means CP. Cost price, the amount for which an article is bought. The amount for which an article is bought is called cost price. Other define, the price at which an article is purchased is called cost price. The price at which an article is purchased or an article is bought is called cost price. Second is selling price. Selling price, short form SP. CP and SP. Selling price, the amount for which an article is sold is called selling price. The amount for which an article is sold is called selling price. Other define, the price at which an article is sold is called selling price. Group A. Students, first term cost price, second term selling price, third term is profit or gain when cost price less than selling price. When CP less than SP. When CP less than SP, then there is gain or profit. Gain or profit. So first one, when CP less than SP, then there is gain or profit. Formula number 1, gain equal to SP is greater than CP. So SP minus CP. SP minus CP. Second, CP equal to, by transposition, minus CP change into plus CP. So CP equal to SP minus gain. Formula number 3, SP equal to CP plus gain. Formula number 4, gain percent. Gain percent equal to gain percent, gain into 100 by CP. And two other important formulas. Formula number 5, CP equal to SP into 100. CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. And formula number 6, SP equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100. Understand and write it. Students, next term is in group B, loss. Lost when Cp greater than Sp. When Cp greater than Sp, then there is loss. When Cp greater than Sp, when cost price greater than selling price, then there is loss. So first formula is loss equal to Cp is greater than Sp. So loss equal to Cp minus Sp. Second, Cp equal to Sp plus loss. And third, Sp equal to Cp minus loss. Cp minus loss. And fourth, loss percent equal to loss into 100 by Cp. And 5, Cp equal to Sp into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. And formula number 6, Sp equal to Cp into 100 minus loss percent. 100 minus loss percent by 100. Write it and solve examples. Write it. Students, one example. Example number 5. It is important question. A vendor bought orange at 24 rupees 125 and sold them at rupees 19 per a dozen. One dozen means 12 orange. So find his gain or loss percent. This type question solve with the help of, first of all, find LCM of 20 and 12. 20 and 12. So write LCM. Write LCM of 20 and 12 equal to 60. Now find Cp and Sp of 60 orange. So first of all, by unitary method, Cp of 20 orange, Cp of 20 orange equal to rupees 125. Rupees 125. Cp of 1 orange equal to rupees 125 by 20. Therefore, Cp of 60 orange rupees 125 by 20 into 60 multiply 23 is 60. 5 3 is 125 multiply by 3. 5 3 is 15 of 5 carry 1. 12 3 is 36 plus 1 37. Rupee 375. Rupee 375. Since SP of 12 orange, SP of 12 orange equal to rupees 90. SP of 60 orange equal to 90 by 12 into 60. 12 5 ja 60. 9 5 ja 45. Rupees 450. So SP rupees 450 and CP 375. CP less than SP. CP less than SP, so gain. Gain equal to SP minus CP. SP rupees 450 minus rupees 375. 375 equal to 10 minus 5, 5 and 4, 14, 44 minus 37. Now 14 minus 7, 7. Rupees 75. Ten minus 5, 5. I have 4. So 14. 14 minus 7, 7 and 75. Therefore, gain percent. Gain into 100. 75 by 100. 75 by 100 by CP. CP 375. 375. Now 25 time. So 25 5 plus 70. Right. 25 3 ja 75 and 25 1 ja 25. So 37 minus 25. 37 minus 25. 125. So 25 5 ja. So 3 5 ja 50 and 25 ja 100 equal to 20% answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is example 10. On selling a fan for rupees 810, Sunil gains 8%. For how much did he purchase it? Here given selling price of a fan is rupees 810 and Sunil gains 8%. So find CP, find cost price. So write SP equal to rupees 810 and gain gain 8%. For how much did he purchase? So CP formula, right formula, CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus 100 plus gain percent. So equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. SP is rupees 810. So write 810 into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. 100 plus 8. So 108. Cancel it. 9 times 9 9 ja 81, 9 1 जा 9, 1 8, 9 2 जा 18. Now 3 times 3 4 जा 12 and 33 जा 25, 4 जा 100. Now 25 3 जा rupees 750 answer. Understand and write it. Students, next important question. Example 14. Havish sold a bicycle at 8% gain. Havish sold a bicycle at 8% gain. Had it been sold for rupees 375. Rupees 375. Havish sold a bicycle at 8% gain. Had it been sold for rupees 375, the gain would have been 14%. The gain would have been 14%. Find the cost price of the cycle. So let the CP be rupees X. CP be rupees X. First of all, it sold it 8% gain. So find SP at 8% gain. SP at 8% gain. Formula CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100. So equal to CP is X into 108 by 100. 27 4 जा 108 and 25 4 जा equal to rupees 27x by 25. Next, SP at 14% gain. 14% gain. SP at 14% gain. CP into 100 plus gain percent. So X into 100 plus gain percent 140 by 100. 2 times 52 ja and 57 2 ja 114 equal to rupees 57x by 50. According to question 57x by 50 minus 27x by 25 equal to 375 rupees 375. Now LCM of 50 and 25 is 50. So 57x minus 25 to the 50. 27 to the 54. 54x equal to 375. That implies 57x minus 54x, 3x by 50 into 375 That implies x equal to 375 into 3 by 50 by transposition chain into 50 by 3. 3 time cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 1 5 3 5 ja 15. Now 0 5 5 ja 25 of 5 and 12 5 ja 60. Sorry, 0 5 5 ja 25 of 5 carry 2 and 12 5 ja 60 plus 2 62. Rupees 6,250. Homework: solve examples. Solve examples and remember formula. Students, today your homework is solve examples and remember formula. Thank you. That's all.